Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn about chapter 4, Heat Zones of the Earth. Before starting the chapter, I want to ask some questions. Name some important latitude. Yes. Come on, tell me some important latitudes. Equator, very good. Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. This is North Pole and this is South Pole. Understand? Let's start. We know students that places near the equator, they are hottest region of the world. Why they are hottest region of the world? Because the sun rays fall vertically throughout the year, and as we move away from the equator, the temperature generally decrease. Okay, so our earth is divided into 3 zones. How many zones? 3 zones. Okay, torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. First we will talk about torrid zone. Torrid zone are known as hottest zone also. Okay, hot zone. This zone is the hottest region of the world. Why this is known as hottest region of the world? Because sun rays fall vertically throughout the year. Okay, over the equator. And those places near the equator, they are very hottest. They are very hottest because sun rays directly fall. Okay, which continent fall there? That South America, Southeast Asia and Africa also. Okay, so this region is the hottest region of the world because sun rays fall vertically throughout the year. Okay, and the area closer to the tropic, so and this area receive very little rainfall. Okay, or very less rainfall. Okay, and most of desert are found here. There is no seasons also. Okay, next temperate zone. Temperate zone lies in both hemisphere, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere also. There the climate is moderate climate in temperate zone, but in torrid zone hot climate. Okay, this is torrid zone. Torrid zone. Okay, and torrid zone also found both hemisphere, northern and southern. Then temperate zone also found northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. This is temperate zone. Temperate zone. Temperate zone lies between Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle in northern hemisphere, and in southern hemisphere Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. Okay, temperate zone climate is moderate climate, neither hot nor cold. Here seasons also. Okay, and the tropic, this zone receive plenty. This zone we can see plenty of grasslands also. Okay, in this zone, temperate zone are famous for their grasslands. Understand? So, torrid zone, torrid zone is the hottest region of the world. Temperate zone, the torrid zone climate is hot. Okay, very hot. Okay, there is only we can see here desert also. Torrid zone receive very less rainfall. In temperate zone climate, temperate zone climate is neither hot nor cold. Temperate zone are famous for their grasslands. Okay, most of continent lies in northern temperate zone. Understand? And torrid zone, which continent? I told you, South America, Africa and Southeast Asia also. Understand? Now we talk about the frigid zone. Frigid zone lies in both hemisphere. Understand? Northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. In northern hemisphere, Arctic Circle to North Pole, 90 degree north. Okay, and in south direction, in South Pole, Antarctic Circle to South Pole, 90 degree. Okay, the frigid zone. Frigid zone is the coldest places of the world. Very extreme extreme cold climate here we can see. Okay, in north frigid zone few people live, and now frigid zone countries Greenland, Alaska, Russia. Okay, but in south frigid zone no people live. Here only research center, and here we can see species like penguin also. Okay, in south frigid zone. In our north frigid zone we can see Arctic fox, polar bear. Understand? So in north frigid zone few people live, but in south frigid zone no live. Here research center. India also set up here research center, Dakshin Gangotri and Maitri. Understand? So I hope all of you understand. Now see in your book, open your book, page number 20, hot heat zone of the world. So now see here in picture, here also see the picture. So in like purple color show the torrid zone. Torrid zone is also known as hottest region of the world. Okay, and torrid zone extends between the Tropic of Cancer and in north direction, in south Tropic of Capricorn. Understand? And this zone receive very little rainfall, and most of desert area we can see in torrid zone. You can see here picture to show the torrid zone, also here to show the torrid zone. Now see the north temperate zone. In north Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle, north temperate zone lies Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle in north direction, and in south direction Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle. You can see here picture. And temperate zone are famous for their grasslands. In temperate zone the climates are neither hot nor cold. Okay, most of continent lies in north temperate zone, and in south next frigid zone. Frigid zone climate is extreme cold. Okay, in north direction you can see Arctic Circle to North Pole, here frigid zone. In south Antarctic Circle to South Pole, famous for the and this is south frigid zone. Okay, and southern hemisphere, in southern hemisphere, and these are the coldest part of the world. Understand? I hope all of you understand. Let's recall the chapter. Okay, tell me student, how many latitudes, major latitudes name? Equator, Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. Understand? How many zones, how many heat zones in the world? 3. Name them: torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Okay? Frigid zone, temperate zone, torrid zone, and torrid in both hemisphere, northern hemisphere also and in southern hemisphere also. Torrid zone, temperate, and this is frigid. Okay, so how many heat zones of the world? 3. Torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Clear it? In northern hemisphere also and southern hemisphere also. Okay, so which are the hottest region of the world and why? Torrid zone. Torrid zone is the hottest region of the world. Why it is the hottest region of the world? Because sun rays fall vertically throughout the year. Okay, so those places near the equator, they are very hottest region of the world. Clear it? In which continent here? Africa, South America and Southeast Asia. Understand? And torrid zone we can see desert here. This zone receive very less rainfall and the climate is very hot. Clear it? And temperate zone. Now we talk about the temperate zone. Why temperate zone are famous? Temperate zone are famous for their grasslands. Which type of climate is here? Neither hot nor cold. Okay, neither hot nor cold. Moderate climate. Okay, and most of the continent lies in the northern hemisphere. Clear it? Frigid zone. Which is the coldest region of the world? Frigid zone. Okay, in north frigid zone few people live. In southern southern frigid zone, mostly research centers are here, scientists work here. Okay, clear it? I hope all of you understand. Read chapter from your book and do worksheet 4 in your book. Understand? Now it's time to leave. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.